Hey guys, this is John Campos, and I'm going to share with you what 11 years in real estate has taught me. Number one, who you pick to work with matters. It can be the difference of you having the most wonderful experience of your life, getting an offer or escrow closed on the first try, or going through it 5 or 10 times and seeing all your friends post about the home they bought, a home they sell. Meanwhile, you're suffering from lack of communication. You don't know what's going on. You keep hearing different answers, and ultimately you're just being dragged through this hell of an experience. Okay, and number two is going to be the financial picture and everything to do with the money and how much your house will cost as a monthly payment, what your down payment will be, what the deposit's going to be, what any of your closing costs are. That is fundamentally the biggest component of this entire purchase process. And then finally, ask questions. As you know, real estate is very difficult. There are many aspects to it. Your realtor and real estate professionals have a vast knowledge of information that they're dying to share with you, and they want you to understand and feel comfortable and feel confident in your experience. All right, guys, until next time, this is John Campos, where we focus on your success today.